video, I will show you what I use to reduce puffiness and dark circles to make myself look more awake even though I am completely exhausted. If you are a coffee drinker or consume any significant amount of caffeine during the day, you should be aware that caffeine is a diuretic, which means it's going to dehydrate you and increase the appearance of under-eye dark circles. So if you are drinking coffee, make sure that you are adequately hydrating throughout the day to reduce the appearance of those dark under-eye circles and save those coffee grounds for later because they're going to come in handy. First things first, you'll want to put some spoons into your freezer and get them nice and cold. Then put a washcloth with a couple of ice cubes in a bowl and pour in some green tea. You could also use coffee for this, but I like the way green tea smells and feels on my skin. And just make a nice little icy green tea pouch. Then when your spoons have been chilling for a few minutes and they're nice and frosty, you are ready to get to work. First things first, I like to use a dry brush on my face. It is fairly soft and I use a very light touch. I go all over my entire face and then I gradually work my way down the neck as well. This increases lymphatic drainage, it helps circulation. Both of those things are going to reduce puffiness and also generally improve your skin. Whenever you can increase your circulation, you're going to reduce these pockets of edema or swelling where water builds up in your skin, and it will generally give your skin a much brighter, rosier, just more alive appearance, which we can all use a little bit of help with in the morning. Then I like to apply these nice frosty spoons when they're not too cold to burn my skin, but also are nice and refreshing. I hold those on for about 30 seconds to reduce that puffiness, and then I pull out my coffee grounds. I use the exact same spoon for this. It's nice and cold and it feels really good. And if you've popped the coffee grounds in the fridge for a little while, they're going to have that added benefit to reduce inflammation. The caffeine from these coffee grounds is going to get to work in your skin, increasing circulation, and I also like to use that green tea pouch on the rest of my face while this is working its magic and reducing the bags underneath my eyes. If you only have one or the other, you could also do a full face exfoliation with coffee grounds or just go all over your face with your nice cold green tea washcloth. I wipe off the coffee grounds with that same washcloth and my skin is already feeling so much fresher at this point. I don't rinse any of that off, I leave the green tea to soak in, and then I use a cannabis balm on the area where I tend to get bags under my eyes, which you can see are already significantly reduced. Next, I use an under-eye brightening serum. This one is from Clarins. It's their Bright Plus serum, and I put that all over my eyelids. I put it on my upper eyelids too because I tend to get a lot of darkness there. Generally, any area where the skin is very thin, your blood is going to show through and appear dark. So I moisturize that with the serum. Then I use my Saturday Skin Waterfall and Eye Cream. I put the eye cream on right after the serum because it kind of locks in all of the nice hydration from the serum. A moisturizer is only going to trap hydration in your skin, it's not going to replace it. This waterfall moisturizer is great because it's kind of like a serum and a moisturizer in one, that it includes hydration and sort of locks in the moisture that's already there and adds a slight oil to help soften your skin as well. Hydrated skin appears smoother and fewer wrinkles make you look more awake. And that's all there is to it. Hopefully you have all of these items at home. I mean, you have spoons, right? At very least, I would hope you have spoons. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this one in the comments below. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell next to it so you get updates when I post new videos. Follow me on social media at Katrinaosity. Check out my podcast at mdxpods.com. And if you enjoyed this video, please click that like button. It really helps my videos get seen.